Hey guys, how you doing? This is Anthony over at Woodyah. Today I just wanted to, I guess, share with you guys something that my mentor had taught me. So I figured if anybody knew was out there or somebody who didn't know this, maybe it would be kind of cool. When you're a beginner, you always start with sandpaper. Okay. As you increase, sometimes you go towards like card scraping or like a Stanley 80, right? These are really cool. So I just wanted to show people, the general difference. I have this old table here that I saved. This is an old woodworker table from a school out in the New York City. It was sold to me from a family friend who was getting it out of their house, and it was just right place, right time, and great people. Thanks, Pat. So now we have this amazing table here. So I just wanted to do show you guys basically like what we want to, I guess what I want to show. So when you're sanding, right? It's just back and forth, right? All right. It's gonna go back and forth. And basically all it's doing is scratching, right? This is just rocks, glued to something. The size of the rocks is basically how coarse or how fine it is, right? So this is beautiful. I mean, this is what people do. They go here, right? And then they'll throw a little water on it. All right. Now we're gonna put water on it. And it's like, oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God, I'll move in. It's gorgeous, but it's really not. It's just, you just scratched it. That's all this was. That's all you did. You scratched it. So after the first coat, go over it and remove all the grime and nastiness. These are tack rags, tack cloths. I'll put a link in the YouTube. But once you do that, right, then you go to a little bit finer of a sandpaper, right? So now we're going to go here. We're going to do this. So what I want to do is I'm going to scrape this one. I'm going to sand this one. And I'm going to leave this one and this one. So we'll we'll try and zero in, and hopefully the quality's there where you guys could take some screenshots if you wanted to. Wow. Wow. Beauty. Okay. This is a proper test, I would say. You got two good. All right. Use the tack cloth to clean all the stuff out. All right. Now we got a Stanley 80. We're going to pay attention in this area here.
Right now, double igloo? Well, not like like a fake igloo. Look at restaurant. It's that restaurant that's near Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Okay. So we got our areas here. Just in case we need to show you better. So now let's switch views here. All right, so this right here, this is the I didn't do anything, and this is just nasty. Okay, let's move it forward. We're leaving that circle now. We're into the next circle. This is also nothing done to it. Nothing done. Now we're gonna go to the sanding. I think it's sharper. Right. Light. I'm gonna spend a little more time. There we go. So now let's slide it forward. So it should be the same height now. And that is shear. What is that? Wow, that was right in the center of the bullseye. Wow. So that's all sheared fiber. And I'm sure if we wet it, so that right there. So that's the fibers right there, all sheared. Smooth. All right. This is sanded. See how it's just smooth? It's not like crisp. Crisp. Gross. Original. Disgusting. I don't even know why it was there. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. I think I think that was worthwhile. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know where my camera's gone. Have a good night.